Welcome to the project demonstration of COVID-19 safety system. So here the main purpose of this project is continuously monitoring of a person's vitals. Like here the vitals are heart rate and SpO2 will be received from this max 30100 and temperature by using MLX 90614, and also we are going to get the respiration rate from this some mic sensor. So this is mic condenser sensor which can measure the respiration rate. So the respiration rate will be given through this amplifier and to here, and then a microcontroller, and from here to our Raspberry Pi Zero W. So here the main input modules, as we discussed, 1, 2, 3, and we'll get 4 parameters. These 4 parameters will be analyzed by our Raspberry Pi Zero W, and it will identify the COVID percentage of the particular person, because here we are going to making use of algorithm like Fuzzy Mamdani algorithm. So based on that algorithm, we are going to identify the how much of person affected towards the COVID, as well as it will going to send the information to the IoT cloud, the remote IT through the Wi-Fi, and it will inform to the location of the person, means in which Wi-Fi hotspot it was there. So from that the main department will came to know that in particular hotspot region how many of persons are affected near to the COVID, so that they can identify easily the red, green and yellow zones, identify easily based on the COVID affected persons. So based on this abnormal conditions from these 3 sensors and from the 4 parameters, we are going to identify that. So here we interface the MLX 90614 directly to our Raspberry Pi Zero W at SDA SCL pins, and max 30100 is interfaced to our Atmega microcontroller. So from here we are going to convert this particular data which is received from these 2 sensors to the serial, and after the conversion of the serial we are sending the data through the serial port to our Raspberry Pi Zero W. And here buzzer also will be there. Whenever the abnormal condition is detected, buzzer will be on. And this one is a breadboard, so in order to distribute the 5 volts towards the all other circuitry, and 16:2 LCD display directly interfaced at our Raspberry Pi Zero W directly. And here one more small IC is there. It's act as these 2 are the amplifiers. So it will amplify the signals and it will provide the signal to the analog to this our Atmega microcontroller, and from here the so-called analog data will be converted to serial as we discussed earlier. So before switching on this kit, we need to enable the hotspot in your phone. So just go to hotspot settings. It's very important. This is like because we need to provide the internet service to our system, then only it will send the data to the cloud. So now go to hotspot settings and on that, and change the name hotspot name to project 4382. It's very important, without any space, without any capital letter. I'm repeating that, without any space, without any capital letter, and a password 129. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. After that, switch on the hotspot. First step. Second step, on the data, and then only switch on the main power supply to our kit. So once the power supply is provided, so the Raspberry Pi Zero W will start booting, and so it will display the welcome message on the screen. So before that, we can check the one device is connected in your phone directly. So once the booting successfully done, so we can check the hotspot one device will be connected in your phone, and after that, right, so we got it. So one device is connected now. Now the work is done up from the phone, and in order to get the heartbeat and SpO2, just place the finger in this manner. So wait for the total booting done. Once the booting successfully done, right, welcome message displayed on the LCD screen. Okay, and here displaying the body temperature. Okay, right, so it is used to check the social distancing also. As my laptop is switched on already, so it displaying my laptop name. It is near to my system. So now if I enable this phone also, so I'm enabling the phone, right. So when I place the finger, so it will display my heart rate. Right, now the heart rate is starting increasing, so it will be stabilized after some readings. Right, so it's my heart rate is 99 and SpO2 is 96 and everything is normal, so the COVID percent is 0 it's showing. So once my abnormality is increasing, then the COVID percentage also will be increased. And coming to temperature, if we place the high temperature object near to this, yes, I'm showing the glue gun, so then the body temperature increase, we can observe that's 167 Fahrenheit and we'll get that high body temperature alert also. Right, high temperature is displayed on the LCD screen. And we should place our phone in discover mode, particular Bluetooth. And then next, so it will display the right, that's BLDC 0B7 is my phone number when it is near to my system. Okay, and the temperature, heartbeat, and coming to the respiration, just I need to mount this on my mouth so to measure the breath. So it's showing the two devices, Bluetooth. Just I'm switching on this Bluetooth now. Right. Here the social distancing received by the Bluetooth. You can see that the respiration is rate increasing. Okay. And coming to the cloud system, just we need to log in to our remote IT server. So that we already created the account into that and just log in to the remote IT. Right, so when we log in, it's showing that green color, means the device is online. And after login here to your credentials, so the device name will be appearing here and just click on that and there will be health data. So click on that health data. So it will be loaded and based on the network speed, right. So we'll get the new tab into our laptop. You can check the same status in your phone also. Right, so these are the parameters which we received from our kit. So including time, date and time along with the, so it's going to be the MAC address of our device. From here we can identify the device or the person, and here HYD RGIA. It is just for demonstration purpose. We named it as a hotspot name as HYD RGIA. So we named the hotspot name in this manner. Okay. So once the system was successfully completed, then we'll keep on sending the data to our cloud platform. Right. Thank you.